Welcome my dear friends. Today I am going to work with STL file in ArtCam 2017. Right. This is STL file. Right. I will try to open it with 3D viewer. I can see this file. I am just use 3D viewer to open this one. Right. Now I am trying to open this STL file using ArtCam. I will start my ArtCam. Then go to the file and open new page, new model. Right. I just try to drag and drop. It's not open. Then I will try to open with ArtCam. No, I can't open like that way too. Right. Then there should be a way to open this file format. Right. Let's see try. This is the path to open STL file in ArtCam. You have to go to relief, then import 3D model. Then you can go to the file location. Then you can open it. Right. Then you can see this model is in your relief. I take it to center, then I'll resize whatever I need. I'll use 1000, then apply, then again center it and paste it. It will take little time. Right. It's okay. Now I can see this file. Right. Now I can generate toolpath and all the things, all the modification in ArtCam. Right. Now I am trying to save this file into folder or my library. This is my library. I use this file. This is created by myself, using my name. Right. I am trying to save this file to my library. Right. Go to the relief, export to relief clip art library. Then it's come to this place. Right. I am going to rename it. I use name as ABC, just ABC. Right. Now it's in here. Right. If you need to see, you can use empty file and you can drag and drop. Right. Then paste it. Right. This is that file. Right. There is another method to save this file into separate folder. You can go to the relief, then export, save as a file, Then you can save. I will use a a as a relief file and save it. Then in here this one a and relief file. Now you can just double click and open it. Next, this is the easiest way to open and save STL file into your library. Thank you very much to watch my video.